In today's video, Lasfit, they sent me some more products, including floor mats and bed liner. I'm gonna install these and give my honest opinion of what I think about these. So as you can see here, we do have the OEM floor mats that came with the truck when I bought it. These look nice. They have the Tacoma logo on them, although they are more flimsy. They don't really have that good of a weight to them. And one thing that I really don't like about these floor mats is that they don't go out to the edges enough. As you can see here, the floor mat actually ends and allows a lot of the carpet to be exposed. And you can see down here, I do get a lot of dirt that comes to the side of the floor mats. So yes, although they are all-weather floor mats, it just definitely doesn't allow for as much protection. All right, so the Lasfit floor liners are installed on the driver's side, and you can see that there's probably an extra 3 to 4 inches that extends up here, and that's gonna mitigate a lot of the dirt to get up onto the side of the carpet. You can see that this extends pretty high up here. I do recommend, if you have some sort of weighted object, what you could do is you could place it here just overnight to make it where this sits flush. But one thing I do like to see is that this also comes about an extra 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches over the side. And that's gonna make it to where very little dirt is going to get exposed to the carpet on the side. And you can see that back here, it extends probably an extra few inches. All right, so as you can see here, these are the stock OEM floor mats that came in the back of the Tacoma. And then here is the Lasfit floor mats. And as you can see, these have way more protection. They go wider on the edge. And then my favorite part is that this actually goes over the center to mitigate any likelihood of you getting any dirt on that center area, which I have not really seen a ton of companies do that. So I'm very impressed that Lasfit did that. So to make the install of this as easy as possible, what you wanna do, move the driver's side and passenger seat as far forward as possible. And that's gonna give you as much room and flexibility to hop in here and put these floor mats in. Lasfit floor liner extends basically all the way up until you have this plastic here. So you're really gonna get way more protection. And yeah, I'm very impressed with how well they fit. You can see it actually comes just right back perfectly to the seat rail where you can move the driver's side and passenger side seat forward and aft. Really impressed with the quality of these. They feel good, they look good.
Yeah. I been walking down the street like why they hating on me. Telling Tony fix the bass so I can eat up this beat. If you ain't get no money, stay the fuck from around me.